na pala yung Christmas tree namin mga love. So, nandito na sa bahay. Yan, so, trinim namin ito kahapon. So, makalat pa talaga. Magde-decorate na ako. And then, after natin i-decorate to, that's when we're gonna sweep the floor. Kasi, may mga matatagtag kasi dito. Like tulad nito, oh. Yan. So, may mga brown na dahon na ba na kung isi-shake mo talaga siya, matatagtag siya. Pero itong Christmas tree natin, long lasting naman to. At sobrang bango talaga mga loves, as in. Meron siyang amoy na hindi ko ma-explain. Amoy Christmas siya, kumbaga. So anyway, ita-timelapse ko lang kayo para hindi naman to masyadong mahaba-haba tong video natin, ha? So, maglilinis muna ako dito mga loves kasi tingnan niyo naman, oh. And then, nilinisan ko rin yung window before ko ikabit yung mga stars ko dito. Yung mga ganito. Yan. Saan kaya yung ibang AA na battery ko? Wala talaga ako nakikita ng AA. Puro lang AAA. Tapos si John din dito sa kabilang side. Nag-paint siya. Yan. Yung paint nila dito mga palangga, hindi naman mabaho. Merong amoy pero hindi siya yung tulad sa atin na sobrang tapang talaga ng amoy. Hindi pa kami tapos sa aming paglilinis ito sa bahay, pero magla-lunch muna kami mga loves. Ito yung lunch namin.
It's all there for lunch.
Oh, come on.
Very toasted.
Very toasted. Yeah, you can see it's still wet, sweetheart, because I can see in the camera the difference. See, it's not dry. It's not drying quickly. So, hinihintay lang namin to na matuyo lahat mga loves para i-paint na ni Mr. So, aalis kami ngayon. Para pumunta sa dulan para maghanap ng mga lights para sa sa media room, sa front room, and then sa bedroom. Ayaw na ayaw kong lumabas ngayon mga loves kasi after lunch kasi nakatulog ako. So ako naman talaga pag nakatulog ako at ginising ako, I am grumpy and I am not in the mood for going out. Pero sasama talaga niya ako para mamili daw kami ng lights. So wala akong choice mga loves. Hindi nga ako hindi na nga lang ako nag-makeup. Hala talaga, nag-lipstick lang ako. And no, I'm fine, sweet. I'm so tired. Yung hangin ba parang ano talaga, chills to the bone talaga yung hangin. Oh, you got wood here. There, that
Yeah,
honey.
no, it needs taking up too much.
Yeah.
It's electric ball when you trimmed all the trees.
Ito na naman tayo mga loves. Oh my goodness, son. So scary. It's alarming na. Just try your brake. Oh, stop that. Because you always need to try your brake once you've been, yeah.
This brake's not by the drive very quickly.
If you've been to the water, mga loves, always test your brake. Magpapagas muna si John, mga loves, kasi
What number's that one? That?
here, go here.
Yeah, that's 9-1, is it?
That's 10.
8-10 this one.
Yeah, 10. It's done. Ito yung pinakamura na paggasolinahan ng sasakyan. Kaya sobrang busy dito. Tingnan natin kung meron bang pa-sales yung Dunelm. Lalo na sa mga bed sheets.
Look it up straight, hold straight, isn't
I just want to see the bed sheets first.
it? Bed sheet.
Yeah. See if there's any. I can smell hot chocolate. Brush cotton. That's brush cotton. I like that color. Huh? Yeah, there's one there, sweet. I like this. How much?
Winter stag is that?
We need a king size, 85. I'll buy the bed sheets.
Is that the price?
Yeah. Where is it? What's the color of that? Let's have a look. Ah, they have a thingy hand, 50% off. Here. What's the color of what's yeah, they have 50%.
Winter stag you want?
Winter stag. Meron silang sale mga loves, pero what is this here? Oh, it's in here as well, huh? Meron silang sales sa Dorma, pero mahal pa din. Punta na tayo dito sa taas. Dito kasi yung mga lighting. There you go. Right, we'll see what kind of lighting. I like this for our bedroom. That one.
That?
Yeah. There's a lot of lights, mga loves, na pagpipilian.
We're putting in our bedroom with the headboard and stuff.
Yeah.
I was saying not.
Don't you like that?
What?
That one there?
What, that?
Yeah.
Which one?
Or is it too small?
Yeah.
Is it too small? I was thinking that, mga loves, ito.
What, this?
Yeah.
Oh, what for?
And the
Lounge?
lounge.
Oh, yeah, non-double, but they're not very very bright then, are they?
Kasi itong nagugustuhan ko. How much is it though? No price.
Right.
Find me on B12.
Well,
On B12. This is B16. B12.
that's the next year. 10 to 14.
Or is it 12? There's 12. Here. So that one, no? This one?
No,
This, there. How much? Is that it? It doesn't.
that's not good, isn't it?
No, I don't think so.
No, that was that one there, isn't it?
Yeah, this one, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that one
25 quid.
is ito.
25 quid, though.
Where's the other?
Which?
That one. I think it's alright.
Which one?
The one that I like.
Not that.
But anyway,
The other.
it's not here.
Probably sold out, I guess.
Kung wala na silang stock nito mga loves, kasi si Mr. parang 50-50 siya dito. Sabi ko, why not ito na lang yung bilhin natin. Yan. Simple lang ba? And it's 89 pounds. Or, ito rin. Ito rin. Gusto ko rin to. This one. I'll see. How about for our bedroom?
Well, let's just sort the lounge first.
Okay. I don't mind like that in the lounge, huh?
What?
That one?
Yeah.
Right. Do you like that? That one?
That LED.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You don't like that? Jeez. This man.
I just think it.
So, I think napagpasyahan namin mga loves. Ito yung ano namin kukunin. Kasi wala silang stock dito. Exclusive online lang kasi yan. So, ang problema namin is isa lang yung nandito. We need two. Hello.
That one.
Another one?
Yes,
Need
please.
two, you see. You want that, yeah.
Sabi ni ate girl, ano, meron silang dalawa. Pero she cannot make out if yung dalawa na stock dito sa store is included to and yung display nila.
If we can't decide, all we'll do,
Mm.
we'll just put normal light, the
For
white
now.
things on temporary, and then we'll just whatever.
They have the same style, pero yung dito niya, black ba? Whereas yung isa, chrome lang. Saan na bumalik sa ate girl na merong good news sa amin. Para madala na namin to. Sabi ni ate na ano yung display ngayon pang second. Okay.
Temporary.
So, hindi namin kukunin at the moment.
Just change.
And we're thinking sa aming bedroom na ganito yung parang style ng light namin sa bedroom kasi yung bedroom kasi namin is meron siyang green. So dahil wala kaming mahanap ngayon is are you putting that one right? This one just a temporary at this
Possibly
moment.
go temporary, yeah.
Yeah, so maglalagay na lang kami ng temporary na ilaw pag dumating yung aming electrician. Kasi kailangan na talaga namin yung ilaw sana ba. Next week kasi pupunta yung electrician namin. What are you looking? Yeah. Ah. No. That's lemon. That's yellow.
Yeah, there it was.
Yeah. Wala kaming nabiling light because we're still undecided. Anyway, we'll have a look online. And then, ayun, nabili lang talaga namin battery.
Top five on the car. Well, that's something.
Do you want to have a look? No?